Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Figo pet insurance. So if you are facing any issue related to your insurance, if you are not happy with the insurance, if there is any problem, any related problem, so how you can cancel? So basically cancellation is very easy. You just need to do one thing. You need to contact with the customer support team, okay, by dialing their phone number, and their customer support is available Monday to Friday 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern time, Central time, and Saturday 7:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. okay. So basically when you call their customer support team, you need to tell them your reason why you want to cancel your insurance, and then they will cancel your insurance. And the phone number you can see on this screen, all are blurred due to YouTube policies, so you can visit on the page. This is the official website of Figo, and I will provide you this link in our video description box, and you can directly visit on the page and you can call their numbers, okay, and you can like cancel your insurance very easily. If phone number is not available due to any reason, due to busy line, so you can wait for some time, and after waiting for some time you can dial again and you can try again and you can call their customer support team. And don't forget to ask a proof of cancellation when you are going to end your call, okay. Once you receive your confirmation email or confirmation letter, then it means your pet insurance is cancelled, okay. So if you not get any confirmation email, confirmation details, then it means your insurance is not cancelled, your insurance is active. So you need to keep in touch and you need to ask a proof of cancellation, okay. So this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.